Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to make use of the templates folder in AlmaLinux 9 operating system. So I am going to File Explorer home directory. So here you can see the directory called templates. Okay, see here. So what is the use of this templates directory? So templates directory are used for typing the reusable content or reusable code or repeated content. Okay, let me show you an example. So I am creating one java template.txt file. So whenever I create the java file, I will type class name and public static void main string args. Okay, so these lines will be repetitive in all the Java class file whatever I create. So to avoid this repetitive task, that is reusable, this reusable content can be created dynamically. Okay, I have saved the Java template.txt in templates folder. So I have saved this file under templates folder. So now let me come out of home directory. So right click, new document. So see here, this template file is appearing now. Just click the file. So now what I am going to do, I am going to modify the file name accordingly. Yes. Now open the file and edit. That's it. Now I am going to change the class name. That's it. So public static void main, this and all repeated content only. I am not going to type once again. So just I am typing the content, unique content, whatever I need, and save the file so that it will save time. So instead of typing class name, public static void main for every Java class file, I have saved that reusable code in on template file. So another example I am showing you for HTML files. So I am typing one text file which will be used for used as HTML template. So here I am typing the reusable code that can be used in HTML files. So every HTML file will have HTML and body tag. So instead of typing HTML and body tag each and every time, I have saved in a template file under templates directory. Now I am going to File Explorer, come out of the home directory. Now I am going to create one new document. Here you can see that HTML template is appearing. Click that one. So I am modifying this file to HTML file. That's it. Now I am going to edit the content of the HTML file in text editor. See here, I am going to just type the content alone. I am not going to type HTML body tag repeatedly. So I only content only I am typing, save it, that's it. So this is the usage of templates folder in AlmaLinux 9 operating system. Make use this feature, which will be very useful for you when you use any reusable code or reusable content or repeated content in each and every document or files.